Hello everyone. Product multiple barcode module will allow user to create and multiple barcode for a product under an barcode tab for each and every department wise. It is also very easy to search and product based on the multiple barcode for sales order, purchase order, invoice, vendor bill, delivery, shipment, and also for other department wise. Now let's check the flow of the module. Now after installing this module, now let's get into the settings. Now under the sales, you can see an option multiple barcode for a product. Now let's disable this. Okay. First, let me see if we didn't enable this option. Let's get into an inventory under products. So here, even if we disable that, we can add a multiple barcode. But if we enable that, we can assign an barcode based on the department wise. Now we didn't enable that option, so you can see an option to add a multiple barcode for a product. So let's copy one of the barcode. So from here I'm copying the first one, and in the next tab let's get into the sales. While creating a new order, in here you can see in product, okay, which is available based on the barcode wise. Now if I get into the purchase, if I add the same, you can see the product is automatically fetched based on the barcode we have given. Now let's get into an settings and enable the option multiple barcode. So here we need to get into the sales, and here we can enable an option for that multiple barcode for a product. Now let's refresh this page. So here you can see under the barcode, you can see that we have enabled in barcode based on the department wise. So here these two barcode is only for a sales order, this barcode is for purchase, this barcode is for transfer, and this is for accounts. So here in this, now let's check for a sales first. So let's create a new sales order. So here let me copy the or barcode which we have added. Now in this I'm adding the product, so it will automatically fetch because we have added it. This is for in sales order. Now let's copy the same which we added for a purchase. So here I'm copying for the purchase. So if I paste it over here for in the sales order, it will not get any product because that barcode is belongs to the purchase order. So like the same way, if we copy the transfer, so it does not work for a transfer as it is already assigned for transfer during the sales order now. So if I get into and transfer here, so for transfer we need to get into an inventory. Here under the operation you can see the transfers. Now let's create and transfer. So in this, if I paste, you can see the product is automatically fetched based on the department we have added. Okay, so this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.